Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see all Facebook logged in devices. So as we said before, we just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and double check if my Facebook app needs to be updated. Sorry for the annoyance. So double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. If it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just close this window, and here it says tap in the top right of the Facebook, scroll down and tap settings and privacy, and then tap settings, and then in the account center or meta, tap password and security, and then tab where you logged in and select your account to see all of the sessions where you currently logged in. If you need more help, what you're going to do, you can just go ahead right here, click on your menu at the below right corner, and basically click on the settings here at the top right, go to the account center or meta. There used to be account right here, but instead of this, you're going to be able to see meta. Click on it and it's going to open up a new window for you. And basically, with the newest updates, you're going to be able to, see, let me right here, you're going to be able to see, you're going to be able to see the password and security in your account center or meta. Just go ahead to the password and security. You're going to be able to see the devices or where you logged in, and just click on it and you're going to be able to see the location and the device kind and the version of that device. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.